Now, what do we mean by sequence? A sequence is a set of terms or list of numbers arranged according to a rule. What do we mean by that definition? According to a rule. We have natural numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, the counting numbers. Now, what if I now ask you to count in 5? What will you say? You will say, I'm counting in 5. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. Now, that 5, 10, 15, and so on. In this, each number in a sequence, this one is known as sequence because it's following a pattern. It's following a rule. That is, you are counting, you are adding 5. If you look at the first term, so each number in this sequence is known as a term. To get the second term, you are adding what? 5. 5 plus 5 will give me what? 10. 10 plus 5 will give me 15. 15 plus 5 will give me the next term, which is 20. 20 plus 5 will give me 25, and so on. So that is what we mean by sequence. It's a set of number arranged according to what? A rule. Now, if you look at this board, you will see that I have 3 examples here. Now, looking at this, the question says we should find what? The next 2 terms. Find the next 2 terms of the sequence below. Let me just add that, of the sequence below. Now, I have 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. Now, the first thing to do is to look at the pattern and see what is the rule that generates this sequence. Don't forget, I said we should be able to know the meaning of sequence, and you should be able to state the rules that generate the term of a sequence. So, what is the rule that generates this sequence? The first term here is 3. The second term here is 7. Third term, 11. Now, if you look at it, what is happening? If I have 3 and I have 7, what is the difference between the second term and the first term? You can see it is 4. So meaning that if I add 4 to first term, I will get 7. You will now check. If I add 4 to 7, will I get the next term? If it is yes, so that means adding 4, it is the rule that generates that sequence. So 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. So what is going to be the next term? So that means you are going to have 19 plus 4, and that will give you what? 23. So what is going to be the next term? 23 plus 4, and that will give you 27, and so on like that. So that is what? The rule that generates that sequence. So quickly try this next 2, then I'll continue from there.